All good. Just got to Porto Cove. We just did some roller stuff with the Mini Pocket 3 and the X5 just for some BTS. And we got the beautiful 765 LT over here, and let's start shooting it. All right, time to go for the 2470. And then we're gonna jump on the 16 to 25 again to get more detail shots. Sweet. No worries. Sweet. We're going to do a cross shot with the steering wheel. Alright, now we're going to close the doors. There we go. Front shot. Sweet. Look at the canards. But it's looking really good.
Yeah, looks awesome.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Sweet. And then just hold the on the lock to close it.
Yeah. You just hold it.
Oh, okay, there we go. Sweet. Sweet. Sweet.
Is there anywhere else you want to head?
I'm looking at that now.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got to the next location. Do a couple shots here. Yeah, it looks really good right now. Yeah, the moon's out right now too. Perfect right now. Sweet. Oh, this is crazy. You gonna have both doors up for this shot? Sweet. And we'll try and do my favorite shot here as well, with to the door and the wing, or the door and the wheel. That's one of my favorite shots to go to. Just the CPL. 2470, but we'll probably swap to a 16 shortly to get more shots like that. On this side a bit. Sweet. We'll do a reel, because I've not done any photos or stuff on my phone at all, which is crazy. Cool. Okay. We'll grab my 1625. Let's actually put it in, let's see if this will work. There we go. Sweet. Try and do a shot back here. Perfect. Alright, we'll try and do the wheel shot a little bit better now since we have a 16 mil. Well, that's way better. Perfect. I'll do a straight on wheel shot. Beautiful. We'll close the driver door. dogs out right now is crazy. Sweet. Okay, cool. Time-wise, 8:15, cool. Okay, let's head down to that other location, and then we'll be pretty good. So I'll have you come up right about here where I'm at. I'm just in the middle of the road, and then what we'll do is probably just shut off the car just so it's not too loud. Although I'm not sure if anyone honestly lives here at the moment, so then okay. So you just have straight in, come in, right about there should be pretty good. And then if you want to, you can do the, like put the roof down if you wanted. But totally up to you though. Just get some shots here, and then we'll be good from here. Yeah, it's a nice view up here. Change my lens. Sorry? Yeah, no kidding. Sweet. Alrighty, let's do this one. I'm gonna try and get a shot with the greenery in it. I think that would add a lot to it. Sweet. I'm gonna open both doors, I think. Oh, we got both lights on. Cool, let's run back quickly. While we still have both lights on. Sweet. Insane view. Holy. Try and get the rear wing. Insane. Amazing. Get the details now. Very easy.
It's pretty awesome. Yeah. It's a beautiful spot.
No kidding. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's perfect. We're going to swap lastly to the 70 to the 200 just for a couple more shots, and then we'll be all done. I'm going to go full 200 mil, so we got to go pretty far back. All good. Sweet. Awesome. Right. Drive safe. Yeah. Sound good. See ya. Yeah, we'll do for sure. Yeah, you too as well. Try and get them going quickly. Sweet. That was nuts. But like, look at this view. This view is insane. Wow. Alright guys, shoot's all done. We just got done shooting this 765 LT with Charles. Beautiful view in downtown, or not even downtown anymore. We're in North Vancouver right now, and insane shoot. We shot a lot of the rollers on the Osmo Pocket 3 along with the Mauve Max blade arm, but it's a beautiful view up here. Moon's out here right now as well. The view is amazing. Tried to do some awesome shots. I'm not sure entirely what we got. I'm just scouting right now. A cool shot could be also shooting between these two buildings. Like there's a spot just down there, could be pretty cool. But yeah, this view is insane. But yeah, little old Mazda worked pretty well. Got to get a new car. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should get. I am possibly looking more towards a Volkswagen Golf R, more just because it has a hatchback versatility. And I don't know, I've always liked eggs or whatever they're called. Their nickname is. But yeah, we're gonna pack this up, head back to the house, start editing, and then charge my gear for tomorrow because we're coming up here again to do a Lamborghini Temerario, however you pronounce it. We're doing that alongside Lamborghini Vancouver at like 6:30 or so, same time, and it's gonna be pretty fun. I'm excited. We're gonna pack this up, head back down, and start editing. So let's get to it.